Hey guys, what is up? I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are on day 11 out of 12 days of Christmas, guys. How did that happen? It went by so fast. Christmas is on Friday. What the hell is going on? I haven't really Christmas shopped for anyone yet, so yeah, procrastination at its finest right here. But anyways, today's look is a fun kind of glam, kind of illusion makeup for you guys. Thursday's look is gonna be super creepy because of course I had to make best for last. So Thursday's look is creepy, today's look is kind of fun, glam, makeup, eyeshadow, things like that. So if you want to see me transform into like a frostbitten, fun blue and white look, then keep watching. But first, you need to know what the secret Christmas sweater of the day is for today's giveaway, which will be at the end of the video. Today's is a third Rick and Morty sweater, guys. I didn't even realize that I had 3 Rick and Morty Christmas sweaters. I feel like that's a lot. So yeah, today's is... 'tis the season to get swifty. So if you watch Rick and Morty, you know what get swifty means. And yeah, so you can just write down below Rick and Morty get swifty sweater. But yeah, before we jump into the video, please hit like, please subscribe, and turn on your notifications because you're not going to want to miss Thursday's video with an awesome giveaway, guys. So yeah, let's just get into this frostbite thing. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is take this Milani lip liner and just kind of sketch out where we want the skin like pulling back. We're adding the little wrinkles that it would have if you like kind of folded it, you know? And then we're taking this Ben Nye cream paint, just dabbing that all over and then powdering the shit out of it. You have to powder that shit, dude, it's so sticky. Now we're taking the Blue Moon palette from ColourPop. We're gonna take the bottom middle shade and we're gonna just start shading everything with the mid-tone. You know, contour the nose a little bit, add the contour. Now we're shading underneath where the skin is pulled back just to add some depth to it. And then we're taking a little bit darker shade and just kind of adding to all the places that we already had it contoured. Then deepen that eye crease as well. And then now we're taking a purple shade just to add some fun to it, you know, not just have everything blue. And then just shading everything that we already previously shaded, but adding some purple to it and making it a little darker. Then we're taking this KVD Vegan Beauty liquid lip in the shade Echo. I thought it was so perfect for this look. Now we're just making the eyebrows a little bit more white. Should I bleach my brows? No, I shouldn't, huh? Looks kind of cool on this though. And then we're just cutting the crease and then adding some white eyeshadow on top just to set that. We're adding those Eldora white lashes, my favorite white lashes ever. And adding some shimmer to the lip, just needed to add something to it. It needed to be more fun, I think. And then we're taking that black face paint and darkening that crease where we have the skin pulled back. That's like the most important part, is just darkening right underneath the line. Then now we're adding the snowflakes. So I suggest just looking up a picture of a snowflake and copying it. That's what I did. And then where we had the black face paint, I'm just taking some black shadow and darkening it a little bit more, blending it out more so it doesn't just look like a line. And then we're blending those creases where the skin is folding. And then adding some highlights on top as the finishing touch. And then obviously I painted by hand and popped in the contact. So there you guys go. I really hope you guys like it. I haven't done an illusion in a while, so yeah, there you guys go. Alright, so if you did like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. And if you want to see the picture of this, make sure you check out my Instagram. And then I also have some super fun videos of this as well on my TikTok. And now I know you guys want to see what the giveaway is for today. So it's another full set of Wet n Wild lipsticks. These are the matte lipsticks, the giveaway from a few days ago were like the high shine lipsticks. So these ones are the matte lipsticks. So if you want to win all 13 shades, beautiful colors, then all you have to do is like today's video, subscribe to me here on YouTube, and then comment down below what the secret Christmas sweater of the day is. Then jump on over to my Instagram, follow me there, find today's look, like the post, and then comment and tag 2 friends, and then that's all you have to do and you will be entered. The giveaway is going to close tomorrow, Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then I will be choosing the winner and announcing it on Thursday, as well as posting the 12th video, which is going to be super creepy, so you're not going to want to miss that. So yeah, that's all you have to do, and I will see you guys on Thursday with another video. So bye!